Today I will show you how to add a text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go to Adobe Premiere Pro and open your project and go here to this is a text. This is a type tool of text, or you can click to T in your keyboard. Okay, just click to this and go here and click here. Only one click and put what you want, like subscribe. Okay guys, like this, subscribe and like. Okay, and now go to the text here and you can choose your, like, select all, like this, all, and choose your type, like this, or you can choose like this, or you can choose like this maybe. Okay guys, like this, and you can move it if you want, and you can like this. Okay, just you can do everything, and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. And here you can change the color of your text. Okay guys, like this, and change the color like this. Don't forget like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.